while you were blessing my sneezes. Thank you, baby. Yeah, just like that. Thank you. I'm okay. Really, just a bit of a mess here without you. That's all. Well, I'm not tickling my nose. It doesn't sound like you mind it too much. I think I might sneeze again. Oh, thank you, baby. God, I love the way you say bless you. Yeah, of course I have a box of tissues here on the bed next to me. I have two, actually. Well, one's almost empty. You know I'm gonna need another one soon. Why, baby? Do you want me to blow my nose? I really do have to blow my nose. Oh, that was a messy one. Oh. Actually, I think blowing my nose might have made the tickle worse. Plus, my allergies have been really, really bad today. My nose has been tickling like crazy. See what I mean? Oh, God. Oh. I can't stop sneezing. Oh, I'm really wishing you were here, baby. Oh, my